Hi there, I hope you're doing okay wherever you are. Today I'm going to be washing my locks at home for the first time. Usually I just go to the salon to get a wash and a retie. So wish me luck, hope everything goes well. I'm mixing water and shampoo in a water bottle, and you'll notice that my hair has been sectioned into I believe 4 braids each side. I didn't do the braid and band method, so I just braided my hair, I didn't band it. Because I've had my locks now for about 6-7 months, using that shampoo solution, what I'm doing is I'm concentrating on the roots of the hair, concentrating on the scalp. I'm applying the product or the solution liberally at the root, at the scalp, and then I massage product in to clean my scalp, because that's where most of the product buildup is, that's where most of the dirt is. And then once I'm satisfied with how clean my scalp is, the roots are, I use whatever is left on the length of the hair. Now, as the saying goes, repetition is the mother of all learning. I'm going to show you this on all sections, on all braids. It is spray, spray, spray liberally to the scalp and the roots of your hair. Massage, massage, massage. Then use what is left and just rub it down the length of the hair. So again, spray, 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 massage, 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 work it through the length of the hair. And I'm doing this again for all sections. Now, while we are here, let's talk about microlocs. I've really been enjoying my microloc journey. I do not regret it at all. There is a video that's up on my channel where I talk about the pros and cons of microlocs, and at that time I was at 3 months and I'm just discussing what I feel about microlocs. But I'm enjoying it. I love it. I don't know why it took me 2 to 3 years to finally decide to go from a loose natural to microlocs, but I'm very glad I chose microlocs over free-forming locks or the traditional thicker locks. Go check out that video where I discuss everything about my 3-month journey. I discuss where I got the microlocs installed. I also talk about where I get my microlocs retied. That's the place I've been getting my microlocs retied since installing them. Here I just needed a wash in between them. Oh, and one thing I didn't mention is that when I braid my hair, I make sure that the roots are not tight, so that you can see here what you'll see here when I'm massaging the scalp and the roots of the hair, so that my fingers can easily slip through. So don't make the braids tight at the roots. And if you want to band it, you can do that. I know that's the popular method to braid and band. I just braided my hair. But nonetheless, I just want to say that I can't wait for my microlocs to mature. I can't wait for them to get longer and thicker and fuller. I'm really embracing this journey, and I've made up my mind that I'm gonna embrace this baby lock journey. You know, that stage where your locks have just been installed and they're not fully locked yet, they're maturing. I'm just gonna enjoy that stage, and I don't want to get any braids. I just want to see how my hair grows and thickens. Once my microlocs mature, that's when I'll think of getting braids. But I want to stick to what I've usually been doing, which is passion twists and maybe crochet locks and Marley twists. That's something I don't want to put too much tension on my hair. I will wear wigs during this stage here and there, but I just want to have my hair out. Whether the locks look mature or not, whether the locks still look weird, I really just want to embrace that stage. If you have microlocs, let me know how it's been going. How far are you in your journey, or you're thinking about it? I'm going to tell you one thing, you won't regret it. I removed the shampoo under the shower while I was washing my body, and it was just the same with the shampooing process. I focused most of the water towards the roots, towards the scalp, because that's where most of the shampoo was concentrated, and I just allow the hair to flow through the rest of the hair to rinse the shampoo that was on the length of the hair. This is how my hair looks immediately after stepping out the shower, and this is how it looks. I believe 2 days later, I let it completely air dry. If you made it this far to the video, I want to thank you very much for watching. Again, I hope you're doing okay wherever you are. Make sure to check out this next video where I talk about my 3-month lock journey. Until the next one, goodbye.